In this video, we learn how to insert degree symbol in MS Word. So first of all, go to Insert, click on Symbol, click on More Symbols. From here, select Symbol, and in character code, just type 176. This one. Just click on Insert like this, and for easiness, make a shortcut for degree symbol. So just click on shortcut key. Now in here, enter new shortcut key like Alt +9. Click on Assign and make the close. Now when you need, just click on Alt +9. So it will create degree symbol. So by this easy method you can insert degree symbol in MS Word Office program. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.